Maritime. I'm so happy to be with you today because I have some really good news for you. I will be in Maritime to teach a nail art class. Woo! You asked for it and I'm coming for you, girls. So I will be in Moncton and Halifax really soon to teach you advances nail art class. So with Beauty Maritime, and also I have some really good news. We have new partnership for my product line and Beauty Maritime. This is so excited, really excited, because also we share the same mission. It is to elevate the nail art industry. So I'm really proud to have this partner with me and to come to see you. Do you know who I am? Maybe you not. So I'm Valerie Ducharme. I'm Valerie Ducharme, nail artist and Antiana's winners season 5 and presented by Nails Magazine. So as you see, I'm a French Canadian from Montreal, and I also have my academy and my online product. So I'm also a fashion week designer that I'm really proud. I work for different brands like Cindy, with En Vogue, with so many brands, so I can help you and share with you all my knowledge. So because of this wonderful partnership, I will be with you for time per years. So stay tuned and subscribe on Beauty Maritime page and Instagram, and also follow me at VDnailart on Instagram and Facebook. So you will be able to see a lot of tutorial, so you can start right now to learn and to learn some new technique. So I hope to see you soon in your area in my class. Bisous bisous. Bye.